Right. Good evening, everybody. How are you?
Good evening, sir.
Good evening, sir.
Good,
Right.
good
I
evening,
hope.
sir.
Good evening, sir.
Right. I hope everybody knows that the papers are gonna happen. First of all, यार ये कहाँ गया? ये रहा. Okay, everybody. Your papers are gonna happen now. Right, everybody. Your papers are gonna happen now for sure. I hope everybody knows this now. आपने admit cards आ गया आपके सबके?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
You're applying for India 1 and India 2 together. How many of you?
Sir Vijayan.
So Samyak.
Sir
Siddhant.
Sir,
Sir
Adam.
Devasis.
So
I'm
you
applying for
have your
NDA 2.
you have your India 1 and India 2 together, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes,
very
sir.
Yes, sir.
Now, if you're having your India 1 and India 2 together, it's like the bestest opportunity right now. Let me tell you very honestly. जिनके भी India 1 और India 2 इकट्ठे हो रहे हैं, just it's your best opportunity because all you have to do, it would be one of the easiest paper ever. Now, how do I want you to study? You have approximately 4 weeks left. And what all things I want you to study on, I'm telling you straight up, number of hours you need to put in apart from the coaching that you're doing, right? Now, paper A, paper B. Paper A is maths, right?
Yes, sir.
Whatever
Yes,
you're
sir.
doing,
Yes,
let me
sir.
just tell you very carefully what are the subjects which I know for sure are very, very easy or topics of which are very easy. Are you good at these topics? These are shortcuts, all shortcuts based. Especially these ones. And then you have these topics will be 20% marks. When I say 20%, it means you can do these topics within a frame of 5, like within that time itself. You have the paper of 150 minutes, right?
Yes, sir.
This week I'm going to conduct a paper which is going to be having all the questions, like exactly 120 questions. Your objective is not to do all those 120 in a proper systematic order. Your objective always should be to do 60 minutes, may 40 or 30 questions. Now, for the people who have very poor mathematics, you can easily do 30 questions also. That's how easy the paper will be. So I am also going to cover up these topics with you in a different way. The way we teach for the CDS people, or the way we're going to teach in a very different way. At the same time, you'll have Vikas teaching you the remaining topics also. Maths is something that I would want none of you to miss out now. Minimum target is 25%. That's it. That's it. And it is very easy. This has to be achieved though in a space of 1 hour. Can you do that? That's the first question. That's the only thing.
Yes,
And
sir.
I am saying
Yes,
these
sir.
topics, like
Yes,
say for
sir.
example, determinants आता है. Determinants में ABC quadratic है. क्या है इसमें आपने value substitution करना है. ये वाले topics, and especially what I'm going to do is I'm going to tell Vikas to start with these topics all over again. Because इसमें कुछ नहीं है, value substitution है सब. Your target is only 30 questions. जिनका मैं बोलता हूँ, जो बोलते हैं कि मेरा मैथ्स ही बहुत खराब है, 36 क्वेश्चन लेना is not difficult है. 36 क्वेश्चंस करेक्ट करना. And ये 1 hour में easily हो सकता है. Now coming to paper B. Paper B, I don't want you to now start studying social studies by yourself. That's all done. जितना हो सकता है क्लास में जितना रिविजन हो सकता है उतना कर लो. Apart from that, your self study becomes zero. So whatever you want to do it in the class. If any topic you don't remember, do it in there. Because by studying 2 hours by yourself, you're not going to do any wonders. Is it clear? You're not going to do any wonders. It's a real fact. Because why I'm not doing social studies much of importance is, so अगर medieval history है, आपको पूरी एक book पढ़नी पड़ेगी. कितने क्वेश्चन आएंगे? 4. And finishing that book is not possible by yourself in one day. Is it worth studying for 4 questions by yourself, wasting that time? No. That is where I'm saying go back to English. 50 questions of English. How many marks each? How many marks you going to score?
4 marks each.
All correct. 200. 200 out of 600. This also I'm telling you, the vocabulary that you've done, nobody else has done it. Keep on improving it. There majority of you have not improved the vocabulary also, who've not done much of vocabulary. Now is the time you actually start working on your vocabulary. Is it clear? So I'm going to pay extra attention to the vocab section, plus I'm going to pay extra attention to your PQRS, your comprehensions. These are bonus marks, and idiom and phrases. This is going to be 30 questions minimum. And my objective is these 30 questions, I'm going to do it in the class itself. I'm pretty sure jaise hum class mein karte hain, that's enough, sufficient revision for you. And maximum of 5 minutes. 5 minutes, use those words by yourself. This is it. This is for English and for your social. No, I am saying it again. Nothing in social needs to be studied. Nothing in social needs to be studied. Do what is done in the class. Pay attention. That's it. End the story. Maximum 15 minutes to revise. Whatever points you have, वो जो होता है नहीं मैं बताता हूँ ये important है. Just that's it. A revision before the class. That's it. 15 minutes. Every day. That's it. Nothing more in social studies. Mathematics, as I'm saying again, ye nahi ki, like when I say these topics that I've said you, these topics will have at least 20% of the syllabus, 20% of the syllabus. And these topics, I can guarantee you can solve it in 30 minutes. What is heights and distance? Nothing here. These topics, you can solve the entire in 30 minutes. You can do 20 questions for sure. Complex numbers also. Sets. Statistics, averages, T ratios, probability, sequence series, matrices, determinants, सबसे easy topics हैं. और इनमें इतने shortcuts हैं, इतने determinants के आपने shortcut किए होंगे, कुछ नहीं करना. अगर determinant solve भी नहीं करना आता, अगर ऐसा type का determinant आता है, वो आता नहीं final value निकालो. इसमें value put कर दो, a क्या है, एक number है. Determinant
Yes,
solve
sir.
करना आता है ना आपको?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
एक नंबर वैल्यू पुट कर दो, आंसर आ जाएगा. जो आता है. सीक्वेंस सीरीज है, आपको बोलता है ABCs एंड AP. 1 2 3 लेने में क्या डर है? 1 2 3 भी तो AP है. 1 2 ABC GP में है, 1 2 4 ले लो, वैल्यू सब्स्टिट्यूशन कर लो. And I'm going to do all the previous year's questions with you the similar way, substitution method, sequence series. Probability कुछ नहीं भी आता. I'm going to go the जिसको probability और उसमें permutation combination problem है, you can do it logically also. So ये topics मेरे को by heart चाहिए end of this week. So when this paper comes, as I said, my target is what? Within that first 60 minutes, you should have 30 questions correct. And once you have 30 questions correct, automatic confidence will come up. But ye topics, I'm going to again tell him to start with these topics first. Is it clear? Vocabulary, as I said, vocabulary, this 30%, I can guarantee you. What happens with grammar? I'm going to tell sir to work on a bit of grammar, because grammar is something that, like, say, for example, me, I have had my grammar because the way we speak is grammatically correct. So for me, making a जो आपका word होता है या फिर क्या spotting errors होता है, उसमें हम जल्दी से sentence बोलते हैं, automatically grammatically correct आ जाता है. Try करना if you've been working hard for it.
Yes, sir.
Is it clear or not? So
Yes, sir.
Now out of 600 marks, suppose you score 180 marks in English. How much is remaining? 400 में से how much you require? 60. That's it. It's actually true. Look at this. 180 in English. All you require is 60 marks in the entire GK section. Science. You've done PCM. गधे को भी मैं उठा दूं इस पेपर में. Literal talk बोल रहा हूँ. गधा भी 30 में से 15 questions कर लेगा. Science के, physics और chemistry. But this is something that I would tell you do it properly. Science. Because क्या है 9th, 10th, 11th, 12th का basics आता है. Not difficult. Is it clear? Social science, I am telling you, do not study. Some idiots say study social sciences. It's not the right time. You are not in serious paper. You cannot study social sciences too much now. But as I say, do it in the class properly. 15 minutes of self-study. That's about it. Is that clear or not? मैं आपको बता रहा हूँ, आपकी 2 घंटे की मैथ्स की क्लास है, you get homework 3 hours more. By 5 hours your chapter should be completely by tips. That is all you require daily for what? Mathematics. 5 hours for maths. We'll be doing 1 hour of English, 30 minutes by yourself, 1.5 is for your English. That's 6.5 hours. 1 hour daily for science, 7.5 hours. And I asked just 30 minutes for social sciences. That is 8 hours, and 2 hours which I'm going to do by myself. That's 10. And that also I'm repeating it. So it's more of enjoyment. So that's just 10 hours of study you have to do. Just 10 hours of study. And you do these 10 hours of study, I promise guaranteed ho jaoge pass. Vocabulary mein, see, you guys are blessed enough to have a good vocabulary by now. I'm telling you, simple people will not be able to understand the word of casual. Candid talk kya hoegi? Unko meaning nahi aayega. That's where you have to outscore is this section. 180 marks. Practice as much as you can. Comprehension, nobody can teach you the way you can learn by yourself because you don't have varied reading habits. अगर मैं बोलूँ स्पोर्ट्स का आर्टिकल है, you'll read it properly. अगर मैं बोलूँ साइंस का है, बायो का है, बोरिंग है. इकोनॉमिक्स का है, बोरिंग है. Is that clear? Because you don't have varied reading habits. How many of you have tried newspaper reading? Newspaper reading में क्या होता है शू? जो टॉपिक अच्छा लगता है वो तो पढ़ लिया, मोदी जी के बारे में पढ़ लिया, बाकी सब छोड़ दिए. Because it's going above your head. Comprehension power is not there. Able to comprehend is not there. So when I say English by yourself, I would want you to work on PQRS. यार एक बार practice तो कर लो. Exercises आपको मिली हुई हैं. PQRS बार बार अपने आप से practice करो. Sentence rearrangement कर लो. I'm 100% sure none of you have done that right now. Is not doing it also. Clear? Yeah, sentence arrangement. This is something you can do by yourself. Comprehension. No person on the planet without your own effort can make you read this. अब जिसको English आती है, उसने भी तो पढ़ी हुई है ना? Is that clear or not? So this is your entire 10-hour schedule. Do it for 28 days. The paper would be the easiest. The paper would be the easiest. Venn diagrams होते हैं. Venn diagram based question किए हुए हैं कि नहीं किए हुए? बहुत बार repeat हो चुके हैं.
Yes sir.
Venn diagrams आ चुके हैं. Allegations आ चुका है. Average का portion है वो. पिछली बार के पेपर में आया था. If there are 120 candidates or 150 candidates, the average passing marks is 35. The passing marks of passing students 39. Failing is 15. ऐसा ही type का था ना?
Yes, sir.
यही था ना? So you cancel it out. 39 minus 35 क्या होता है? 4. 35 minus 15 क्या होता है? 20. Ratio क्या आ गया? 5:1. 120 students थे. 120. ये question था. I'll do allegations. जहां पे भी easy method है, आपने easy करना है. All I'm saying is this 10 hours, that's how you do it. 5 hours of maths is a must. This is, I am saying about the first week program. This is my first week program. We give that 120 marks paper. Out of that 120 marks, how much you score? As I said, your target is 60 minutes. How many questions?
30.
Next 60 minutes,
30
15 questions. Next 30 minutes, 10 questions. That's how you can go. Easily you can score too high.
Yes sir.
This is not difficult. Trust me, 60 minutes में आपको पता लग जाएगा आपका पेपर पास हो गया. Automatically जब pressure कम होता है, you start doing better. English 180, score 180 in English. As I said, 240 जाता है maximum. 240 out of 600, 40% बनते हैं. English में आपको, maths में आपको 100 चाहिए, 340. इससे ऊपर तो आजकल कट ऑफ नहीं जाता ना आजकल. 340 से ऊपर तो कट ऑफ ही नहीं जाता. 300 कुछ जाता है. कितना मार्क्स है? 100 मैथ्स में. और इंग्लिश में अगर आपने 180 स्कोर कर दिया, 60 out of 400. 60 out of 400. That's how important English is. I don't believe you're going to get 60. So say for example, you score 180 and 120, 300 marks. Maths, you're on border also. It doesn't make a difference.
So for maths, 30 is the minimum.
We require 25% ना minimum.
Yes, sir.
So 120 में से 30 marks, 30 questions तो correct होने चाहिए. My target is first 60 minutes. How many questions correct? 30.
30 questions.
And these topics are these. तो if I tell the children also ना quadratic, he says an equation is there. Equation आपको कुछ इतनी तो equations पता है आपको. Put any value of the equation. Why can you not solve it? These are the questions that this week, this is the sections that I would want him to cover it up again. Right? And I want to go through them. I'm going to do, what I'm going to do is I'm going to send to you in the group NDA 1 2019 paper, 2 2019 paper, 1 2018 paper, this. Go through it. You'll get a basic idea how easy questions have come from it. Probability के क्या question आए मैं आपको बताता हूँ. 2018 या 2017 paper में आया. From a deck of cards, one queen of spade is picked out. What is the probability of picking up one queen of spade? What's the probability?
1 upon
So 4.
4.
So 4 by 52.
Queen of spades कितनी होती हैं?
1
4 होती
upon
1 by
52.
52.
1 upon.
That question has come.
1 by.
क्या question है? 2017 का paper का question है ये. Probability, quadratic, वो question भी, I have that paper, I'll show it to you, and I'll show you every paper I'll mark 30 questions up, which you can actually do it within a space of 60 minutes. But वो अब क्यों अब paper बहुत important है? We'll be going through around 4-5 papers now. Your objective is, I know for sure ना, UPSC को भी पता है, अब बच्चे इंटेलिजेंट तो है नहीं, बच्चों ने पढ़ना छोड़ दिया है. और the best thing, what has the UPSC said? How many hours are you allowed to sit in front of the computer? NCERT ने कितने बोला है? 3 hours से ज्यादा नहीं. That's what the NCERT says. So the UPSC has to follow those instructions. So do you expect this to be a difficult paper or easy paper? It's going to be an easy paper.
Easy.
Yes, sir.
This is your best opportunity. You'll be getting 2 SSB call letters. Fudged out. Nobody is studying. People को तो लगता है paper ही नहीं आ रहा था. Majority of the students thought paper ही नहीं है. Forget it. We are going to enjoy. There's going to be no paper. This year is gone. But now, nothing can be done. Like, let me give you examples. If SSB has started, and SSB has started now for 1 month, written examination is also going to happen. Now, people having centers outside, you'll probably have to arrange a transport by yourself. I don't expect the buses and trains to start, and it is not safe to go in buses and trains also. So you do the transport by yourself, find the place to stay or whatever, and that would be best advised. Is it clear? Don't go out, don't get sick. 28 days, 10 hours a day, 10 into 7, this week 70 hours. We see, according to every one of you, I'll see the improvement. Is it clear?
Right,
We'll
sir.
be giving you
Yes, sir.
exact. I want
Yes,
to
sir.
give you 2.5 hours paper. And जब आपका हम चेक करते हैं ना पेपर, आपको पता है कि मैं सेक्शन वाइज चेक करता हूँ. सेक्शन वाइज उसमें आ जाएगा. डिफरेंट सेक्शन से मैं डिफरेंट क्वेश्चन उठाऊंगा. आपको साथ के साथ पता लग जाएगा आपने किसमें कितना स्कोर किया. कॉम्प्रिहेंशन में से कितना स्कोर कर रहे हो. बट ये आपको खुद करना है. प्लीज. इफ आई एम गोइंग टू डू 200 words a day. Now, this is my objective. 200 words a day. So out of 200, यार कुछ तो याद रहता है. कभी विजयंत पे बना दिया, कभी किसी पे बना दिया. मिसोजिनिस्ट कौन है?
The one who hates women.
या यहाँ पे मिसोजिनिस्ट तो आर्यन है, I think so.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
हाँ. फिलोजिनिस्ट क्या होता है? जो लाइक करता है वुमेन को.
sir. Like correct.
Yes or no?
Yeah.
So that's it.
Yes, sir.
But याद हो गया यार. That's it. Let's do these 10 hours. Let's give a paper on Sunday, and then we will see accordingly where you stand. Right? But I'm going to give a 2.5 hour paper. Let's start it at 10. Let's finish at 12:30 the same way the UPSC paper is. Plus you'll get an idea of sitting. Imagine sitting 5 hours for papers. That's the biggest headache. Hilna mat, pani apne paas rakh lena, because the worst, I am telling you, when I have given papers, the most difficult thing is sitting. Left नहीं कर सकते, right नहीं कर सकते, and then your mind starts working like that. क्या यार, आपका तो बहुत easy है, CDS वालों को 9 घंटे बैठना पड़ता है IMA के लिए. It's 2 hours, 1 hour break, 2 hours, 1 hour break, 2 hours. 1 घंटे पहले आओ पहले सेंटर में, 9 घंटे. So let's make it like that. Let's give it the way it happens. It gives you an idea. Is that clear or not? Can you do
Yes,
these
sir.
10 hours for me?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Daily,
Yes, sir.
27 days, 270 hours. When you're studying, no, start doing it like this. सबसे easy तरीका पढ़ने का. अच्छा, 1 hour done. बस 1 घंटा हो गया, 269 रह गया. 1 hour done, 268 only यार. And then the reverse order starts. Oh, I've already done 10. Wow, very good. 260 left यार. अब तो कुछ भी नहीं रहा. So start doing it like that. And every minute is going to count now. Clear? So as I said again, social maximum 15 minutes. Self. And that too before the class. I'm going to do it again and again in the class, again and again in the class, so that you don't have to go through it again. Right, everybody?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
This is going to be my headache. English
Yes,
vocab.
sir.
Vocab, I'm going to do my headache. PQRS, you'll have to do it by yourself because it's very simple. किसी को exercises नहीं मिल रही, मेरे से ले लो. Comprehension मुझसे ले लो, जितने मर्जी होते हैं. This you have to study 1 hour by yourself. Vocab, we're going to do 200 words. That's my headache. Idiom phrases, I'm telling you, trust me, people don't know the word of the meaning chronic.
Habitual.
Habitual.
Vijayan.
Similarly, flatterers
Vijayan.
क्या होता है? Flatterers क्या होता है?
सर वो नहीं होता कट्टरपंथी वाला.
कट्टरपंथी, साइकोफेंट्स, फ्लैटरर्स. ये वर्ड आया हुआ है. ये सबसे डिफिकल्ट वर्ड था उस दिन उस साल पेपर में. फ्लैटरर्स. So we are doing difficult and easy, so it's very simple, no? Deprecated क्या होता है?
Protest.
Protest. Another word for protest. Fulminated. That's it. And I'm saying it again. Okay. You want to have ice cream? Say today if I study 10 hours, I'll have ice cream. Give yourself gifts. Today I learned to, okay, 6 hours done, 4 hours are left. 6 hours done, okay, I can play for 1 hour. I'm not telling you stop anything. Keep yourself and don't get tensed about it. You will enjoy the hard work. Trust me. No need to get tensed. No need to worry about anything. But the purpose is 2.5 hours. Why I want to give papers 2.5 hours is you get an idea of sitting in the paper. अब क्या होता है, अभी तो अक्कड़ बक्कड़ बम्बे वो 80-90 पूरे 100 हो गया, ये वो नहीं कर सकना, वो नहीं करना. Is it clear? So give proper 5 hours papers. We are going to do 5 hours papers and I am going to do, that's my headache of social sciences. And I said again, I'm going to take out time. CT ratios मेरे को CDS वालों को कराना होता है, तब मैं आपको वैसे सिखा दूंगा कि मैं उनको शॉर्टकट कैसे सिखाता हूँ जिससे आपका इजी हो जाए. सिमिलरली प्रोबेबिलिटी में कई क्वेश्चंस हैं जहाँ पे बहुत सिंपल लॉजिक्स लगने हैं. वो सिंपल से आपको, I'll show you the papers, I'll send you these papers, go through it, probability सारी रिवाइज कर लो. सीक्वेंस सीरीज है, कुछ नहीं करना, वैल्यू सब्स्टिट्यूशन करना है. क्यों नहीं? मेजॉरिटी ऑफ यू डोंट डू वैल्यू सब्स्टिट्यूशन. वो लगे हुए बड़े मेथड से. उन्होंने कौन सा आपको चेक करना है पेपर? यस और नो?
Yes, sir.
Don't do anything. T ratios में वैल्यू सब्स्टिट्यूशन क्यों नहीं कर सकते? हाँ, tan 15, sin 15, cos 15, ये वैल्यूज पक्का. 18 की वैल्यू कई बार सीधा आ जाती हैं. क्लियर और नॉट?
Yes, sir.
Formula
Yes,
तो सीखने की
sir.
जरूरत
Sir.
नहीं. That's all you need to do. Right? So tomorrow onwards, like today onwards, how many hours you are supposed to do? Let's make it
10
easy
hours.
for you. 5 hours.
Yes,
Let's
sir.
make it 5 hours. No, I don't want to do 10 hours. I want to do 5 hours because you've already done it. You have to do what I'm saying it again. 3 hours, what do you have to do?
Maths.
Maths.
Now listen, when you do maths, first, as I said, 60 minutes में कितने questions करता हूँ? Don't worry,
Ready.
don't follow the order. डोंट फॉलो ऑर्डर.
30.
जब आप सॉल्व कर रहे हो तो डोंट फॉलो ऑर्डर्स. तभी आपको पता लगेगा ना कि मेरे को ये क्वेश्चन आता है, इजी है, ये तो आता था. कितनी बार हो चुका है एनडीए पेपर में, पेपर देखते हो, ओहो पेपर के बाद ये तो बहुत सिंपल था, ये भी बहुत सिंपल था, ये भी बहुत सिंपल था. But if you cannot figure out which is easy and which is difficult, how would you be able to do it? Is it clear or not? Don't
Yes,
start
sir.
with question
Yes.
number 1
Yes, sir.
and with question number 50. 1 hour, how many questions are you able to do? Take 10-minute break, go out. Again, 1 hour, see how many questions. The question that you're, suppose 50% solve हो गया, बाकी नहीं हो रहा, छोड़ दिया, अभी नहीं चल रहा दिमाग, छोड़ो. मैं वही बोल रहा हूँ ना, majority questions क्या होता है, pressure के अंदर half the mistakes you make. Don't do that. Is that clear or not?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
A 10-hour plan for this week. Once we do the 10-hour plan and we see the results, I'll see everybody's results. We'll move to the different plans for everybody. Is
Sir.
it clear? 270 hours, 1 hour gone. That's what you have to do. Today, 5 hours are going to go. And once you get done, so say for example, it's 4:30, take a break, 5 o'clock, come back at 10, 5 to 8, 8:30, take a break, then 9 to 11. That's it. Okay, 5 hours. You get time for yourself also. Out of 10 hours, 2 hours are going to be done in social studies. Cancel. 0.5 hours are going to be done in vocab. What's left? 7.5 hours. Is it clear or not? But now we see that's it. 27 days. Yeah. Everybody will get through. And that's my promise. But provided you do this. My promise. That's my promise. Vocab, GS, I'm telling you. Similarly, these sections, I'm going to tell him again to cover up these sections for you. किसी पे probability, T ratios, average, stats, ये हमारा common section आता है CDS और इसमें. अगर मैं CDS वालों को दूंगा, वो आपका पेपर solve कर लेंगे T ratios.
Sir,
Yes.
what's an average?
Average is basically mean. जो stats में आता है mean, median, mode. But
Okay.
ये जो average के questions देते हैं, majority of the questions given to you are from a very simple section.
Okay, sir.
Is it clear? So this is my objective.
Yes,
This
sir.
is how you do it. This is your basic thing. 5 hours today. Tomorrow onwards 10 hours. 2.5 hours is my thing. Cover up. Rest is up to you. Plus I'm going to do vocabulary now. Vocabulary and your current affairs. CA. मैं उनको इस करके करा रहा हूँ क्योंकि बेसिक्स उनके क्लियर नहीं है. Civics करा रहा हूँ. कईयों के civics clear नहीं है. So I'm covering up the civics concepts. Once the civics concepts are clear, then I'll be starting with current affairs.
Right,
Right?
sir.
So
Okay,
current
sir.
affairs are going to come.
Yes.
Simple things are going to come. Don't make it complicated. Go out, enjoy half an hour you have now, break.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Go
sir.
out half an hour, go out running, go do whatever you feel like. Come back, you have 5 hours today. That's it. And 1 month, 27 days, that's the end of it. उसके 3 महीने बाद रिजल्ट आएगा, इंटरव्यू बाद में स्टार्ट होएगी. You have 6 months. 6 months तो फीलिंग यही लेते रहोगे मैं पास कर लिया पेपर. घर वाले कुछ नहीं बोलेंगे, हमारे बेटे ने 2 पेपर पास कर लिया. और आपको 2 बार नहीं पढ़ना एक पेपर के लिए. Next thing you're studying only
Once.
अप्रैल वाला नहीं पढ़ा. अब 2 पेपर हैं, खत्म कर लो. How cool is that? किसी को अपॉर्चुनिटी नहीं मिलता. ठीक है. I agree. मेरे टाइम पे बहुत इजी होता था. When I cleared my NDA, I scored completely in English. और सेक्शनल कट ऑफ ही नहीं था. बट 2004 में जब NDA का पेपर आता था, उसमें आपका JEE लेवल का पेपर आता था मैथ्स. That's all finished. So you got easy. UPSC is also going to give easy. Okay. I'm going to send. Yeah.
सर एक डाउट है. अभी कह रहे हैं कि नेक्स्ट ईयर से मतलब ये कंपलसरी कि पहले जेई को भी क्लियर करना, फिर बाद में आप एलिजिबल हो गए एनडीए का एग्जाम
नहीं,
देने
that
के
is
लिए.
for technical entry scheme, not for NDA. That is for technical entry,
ओके सर.
not for NDA.
सर इस बार तो नहीं है ना ये.
इस बार
मतलब मैं
पेपर ही
अगर
नहीं हुआ तो
इनफैक्ट
कैसे कर लेंगे? एंट्री तो पहले निकाल दी इन्होंने.
मतलब इस अगर मैं इन्फेंट्री में ज्वाइन करना चाहूँ तो फिर वहाँ पे उसके लिए एनडीए का एग्जाम ही सिर्फ
तो
कंपलसरी है.
NDA ही है, NDA ही है. That's a different thing. Army will offer you a lot of options. Don't worry. Defense will offer you a lot of options that you don't need to worry about. Right.
Okay, sir.
So NDA ke liye, there's never going to be anything. Don't talk about the next year. Let's talk about today. You get through today. That's the end of it. You are in your 12th. By the
Yes,
time
sir.
you clear your 12th, so say for example, your interview will come in the month of January and April. You clear your paper by April, or you clear your SSB by April. You have nothing to do. People will be studying for JEE. They'll be back in the rat race. You'll be done. I have
Yes,
I
sir.
have had so many people who have, like Vishrut was there. You know how much percentage he had? He's the third generation officer. How much percentage he had in 12th? 53. Cleared NDA. Cleared the SSB. Did not study at all. He's like, forget it. I don't need to clear. Because pass he hona. He started for studying for that. How many people will get that opportunity? Nobody will. That is the advantage you'll get. There'll be no pressure from home. Nothing. So do it right now. 27 days.
Sir.
By the end of it, the paper is gone. Yes.
सर इस वाले पेपर में भी सेक्शनल कट ऑफ है क्या सर?
हर पेपर में सेक्शनल कट ऑफ हो गया
सर मतलब जैसे कि जो सर
सेक्शनल कट ऑफ सेक्शन ए का अलग है, सेक्शन बी का अलग है. ये कंबाइंड सेक्शन है, इंग्लिश प्लस जीएटी. तो चाहे इंग्लिश में 200 ले ले, इसमें 0 ले ले, तेरे तो टोटल मार्क्स 200 में से 600 ही है.
सपोज अगर सो एसएसटी में सर 0 मार्क्स आया और फिर चलेगा?
नहीं, उनको पता ही नहीं होता ना, वो तभी तो वो सेक्शन बी देते हैं पूरा.
ओके.
पेपर ए पेपर बी के हिसाब से करना है. Clear or not? As I said, social science is only 15 minutes self-study before the class. Nothing else. Right? Go out, enjoy. 30 minutes of break, then get back to it. Every day, 10 hours. 270, you've already just have to do -5 today. So work like that. And what are you going to give to yourself? Just write it down on the group. What are you going to give to yourself after 5 hours? What is something you enjoy? Do that. Vijayant will not say it. Rest of you. Okay. Right. See you everybody. Enjoy. Right?
Thank you, sir.
Thank you,
Yes,
sir.
sir. Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Take care.
Thank you, sir.